Hello and welcome to the MarketViz.io web app, a simple yet powerful web app for analyzing stocks, popular exchanges, and more using real-time data and smart insights. Let's go ahead and take a look at the app and see how it works. Here we are at the MarketViz web app homepage or landing page. We can go ahead and sign in with our Google login. And this will take us to essentially the main dashboard where we have our search bar. In this case, let's go ahead and take a look at NVIDIA. We can actually put in the ticker NVDA, or we can just put in the full name of the company and it should look it up and then pass in the actual ticker to the backend service. All right, so we can see the name of the company. We see the exchange, NASDAQ, our ticker. We see the current real-time price. We see the change in dollar amount, the change in percent, and also the industry, semiconductors. Further down, we can actually see our first set of graphs. We see financial performance in billions. This is going back to 1999. The data sets that we have go back 30 years, or they'll go back as far as they exist for that particular company. So for this graph, we can actually see revenue, cost of revenue, and operating expenses. Let's go ahead and turn off cost of revenue. We can also disable operating expenses, and then we get a nice, clean, clear picture of just the revenue. Incredible growth. Next, we can see earnings per share going up to 2023. And then also, if we go down, we see gross profit margins. We see operating profit margin. And then this part right here is quite exciting. These are the segmentations based on products and also geographic region. So if we go look at the product revenue segmentation, we see that NVIDIA makes the bulk of their money from data centers. So these are probably large enterprise contracts with huge big tech firms like Amazon and Apple and so on and so forth. They do have some revenue generated from automotive, gaming, of course, other means, and then it looks like professional visualization. Looking at geographic revenue, we see the bulk of their money is made in the United States, next Taiwan and China. Now, if we go down a bit further, we can see the trailing 12-month figures for gross margin and also operating margin. And then we also see figures for earnings per share, PE ratio, discounted cash flow, market cap, shares outstanding, and also beta. A lot of these graphs, especially these product and geographic revenue graphs, the plan is to add data going further back so you can kind of see trends of how certain segments grew and declined. But thank you so much for your time.